is my dad's 1988 Chevrolet pickup truck with a 350. Got a throttle body thingy on it, and it's real fast. Real fast. Oh yeah. Fasty McFast pants and stuff. That's my 5 horsepower go-kart that we rode around Newport at about 12:30 at night time, and we chased this 4-wheeler around and shit and stuff. That's the faggot boy that rode the 4-wheeler. Hey, will you go in there and rev up the truck just a little bit? Whoa! Well, hope you liked my dad's 1988 Chevrolet pickup truck. Maybe when I get home, I'll show you a picture of my 1987 Chevrolet pickup truck. Oh, there's a Porsche. Oh shit, there's another one. Well, wait a minute. You want to see how into tractors we are? Oh yeah, right there. Like a 69 John Deere 112. Yep, that's his. We think it's got a Tecumseh 12 horse on it, but we're not for sure. Maybe when I get home, I'll show you my 1978 International Cub Cadet 1100 with a Briggs & Stratton 11 horse on it. But maybe when I get home we'll do that. But y'all have a good evening.